Everything we do is to profit you. Why do you go to church? I go to church to profit in the word. Why are you married to him or her? To profit, because they bring something to the table that balance me to make me better. Why do you have that job? Well, gosh, I have that job, not that I love it, but I have to profit from getting a check so I can pay my bills. So in other words, everything we do is set up to be a profit. Welcome back to the channel. Al Thomas here, All Things Business. Thank you so much for joining today. We're going to talk about a subject, profit in everything. What? Profit in everything. So if you're taking notes, write that down. I'll wait a second while you get a pen and a notepad and write it down, because profit in everything. Everything we do as human beings, really, if you realize it or not, is to profit you. Everything should be a profit. Whether you look at it or not, or anybody ever told you that or not, everything you do is profit. For example, why do you go to church? Well, Al Thomas, I go to church to profit in the word. Okay, great. Why are you married to him or her? Well, I married that person or dating that person to profit because they bring something to the table that balance me to make me better. Okay. Why do you have that job? Well, gosh, I have that job, not that I love it, but I have to profit from getting a check so I can pay my bills. So in other words, everything we do is set up to be a profit, should be profit. Why you wear the clothes you wear? Well, I like to look good to make me feel better. So you're profiting from that. Why do you drive the car you drive? Well, it makes me look good. So you're profiting from that. And a lot of times we have never understood that. Why do we do the things we do and we profit from the conversation we have, from the people we call, from building our business, from everything we do is a profit center. It's not always monetary. It could be physical, mental, spiritual, but it's the profit. Why do you hang around the people you hang around? Because they make me better or they make me feel better. So you're profiting from that. So understand, everything in life we do, you may not see it that way, but it's like I say, it's the profit from it. And a profit center doesn't necessarily have to mean money. It could be, like I say, spiritual, church. It could be physical, the wife or girlfriend or significant other. It could be mental. I feel good if I wear this. I feel good if I have that. I feel good with a nice watch. So everything we do is the profit.
Welcome, Al Thomas here. Thank you. I'm so excited. My new book just got released on Amazon called The Entrepreneurial Mindset to Wealth. It's going to help you understand how to make the gap from here to where you want to go in 2026 and beyond. You're going to see some of the things that I did to learn from my billionaire mentors that have helped me become who I am today. And I'm going to talk about real estate in there when I bought my first property. I'm going to talk about my mentors in there. It is so jam-packed with information you're going to learn from, and it's going to help you become better and stronger. The benefits are you don't have to do things I had to go through to get where you want to go. Think about it. For a book like this, you're going to get so blessed with so much information. I would buy 3 or 4 if I were you and give your 2 best friends. It's going to be a great thing that you can talk about and converse with between you. Hey, listen, also leave a book review. I love to get a book review. Make it good. As well as if you send me a picture of you holding the book, I want to get that out there so people can see how you're enjoying the book as well. Let's bless others. Pay it forward. Take care. And God bless. Remember, with a closed fist, you can't give nor receive. Let's give it to the world. Take care. God bless.
Once you understand that, you'll understand how mankind and what men think and how the world goes. It's the profit. So everything we do is to profit us, to make us a better human being, a better person, a better thought leader, a better husband, better wife, better boyfriend, better dad, better father, better whatever. But it's to profit. Everything we do is focused and centered around profiting. So don't look at it as a negative. Look at it as a positive. And if you sit back and think about this conversation I'm having with you today, you'll realize, wow, that is true. I never looked at it the way Al Thomas. I never looked at it that way. Why do I go to that restaurant? Because I love the food. Why? I profit from that. I feel good, it tastes good, my body's happy. So everything we do is centered around profiting from what we do. Make sense? So don't look at it as, because a lot of people don't realize that everything we do has a profit center around it. And like I said, it's not always dollars a cent. It could be mental, spiritual. It could be a lot of things. So understand, what are you doing today to profit your business? When business, we understand it. I talk to some leads. I'm profiting and get them in my business. I'm selling insurance. I'm doing real estate. Everything. Let me say that again. everything we do is a profit center around it. And I want you to understand that. And that's how life is set up. Remember, everything is set up that way. I hope this blessed you today. And remember, make your list out. What are you doing today? And I guarantee if you look at it, there's a profit in everything you do, one way or the other. I hope this blessed you today. Thank you so much. Take time out of your schedule. Hey, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. And I want to thank you very much. And please leave a comment. And last but not least, please hit the bell notification so you can be alerted to the next video that comes out. Take care. God bless. And I hope this video is here to profit you. Take care. God bless.